Okay guys, waterfall tour time. According to this sign here, this is the highest waterfall in Chiang Mai. Dropping 100 meters. This is more than 100 meters. It's half a kilometer away. And it's down here. And I'm the only one here. There is water moving, I can hear it. Going to be a real jungle experience, this one. Very interesting place. If you are coming here, do not come on a motorbike. Small car would be very difficult as well. The road is in very rough shape. It looks kind of like this trail. Quite interesting this is. She's a doozy. She is a doozy. Beautiful in here. Really is beautiful. This is quite a place. No signs. Got this trail that gets used. I haven't seen any tiger tracks, so hopefully not being used by tigers. But she's a mountain goat special. That's for sure. Wow. Just coming over this rise there, and things changed. There's a blue pipe down there. I assume we're going that way. But the jungle has come alive. You hear that? Wow. Unbelievable. I'm going this way. I'll try. I see water. It's fast moving. You see this here? Very slippery, and it's quite the angle, yeah. Maybe in the water by the time you stop. This is real jungle trekking here. No signs, no guides, no partner. Very slippery, wrong shoes. Ooh, hot too now. See some stairs, actual stairs. That water is pretty clear too. Crystal clear. And violent. Wow. Beautiful in here. The temperature just dropped 5 degrees. There's many steps to this. There's the second falls, but there's a big one up here. Through the trees, yeah? I don't know if we're going to get there. We're going to try. Have to try. Not sure you're going to be able to hear me. It's very, very loud. but very spectacular as well. There's a lot of water coming down there. Goes in multiple steps, you know. There's at least 4, but it might be 6 different falls. Like I wasn't counting right here. That's a pretty good drop. But these are the main 2. It's some place, let me tell you what. It ain't easy to get to, but most good stuff is not easy, right? I do have company now. No longer alone in the jungle. Quite a place. Alright guys, well that's it. This is inside the national park, and I'll put the national park video in the blog post for this if you want to check out everything that's available here. It's a pretty spectacular place, that's for sure. Wow, that's pretty spectacular in itself. As always guys, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Want some jungle bananas? Don't see any bananas. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.